Hello and welcome to Bradley Penny Aviation. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Iceland Air Boeing 757-200 in the Hekla Aurora livery, made by Herpa and 1:400 scale. Let's get started. The aircraft is packed away perfectly inside of this standard Herpa box. The aircraft type and airline logo are all on the front of the box. The Herpa logo is shown both on the front, back and sides of the box. There is a spectacular image of the Northern Lights shown all the way around the box. And you even get a sneak peek of the aircraft through a clear screen on the front of the box. It is very easy to open up the box. However, do be careful when opening. To some collectors, the box is just as important as the model itself. As you can see, the model is packaged very well. And finally, here it is. TF-FIU is the registration of the model in front of us now. It is a Boeing 757-200 currently with Iceland Air, and was painted in the Hekla Aurora colours back in December of 2014 and still to this day has them on. The Hekla Aurora livery is meant to represent the Northern Lights, which is on many people's bucket lists. This aircraft has been somewhat of a traveller. It started off life back in 1994 when it was delivered to Iberia and named Chile. It was given the registration EC-609 and then went on to Air Holland with the registration PH-ITA. And then it finally moved to Iceland Air, but was then leased to Airlines. And then its final move back to Iceland Air and has now got the registration TF-FIU, which is the current one. And this all happened in the space of 10 years, and it's currently 26 years old. Overall, I'm very happy with my model. I would highly recommend you use it for your model airport, as it is such a beautiful model. If you would like to purchase this model, I will leave a link in the description down below. Thank you for watching to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more weekly content just like this. That's all from me today. Take care and stay safe.